Hello, my name is Abby with Tuxedo Bird Creations. Thank you for joining me today and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to do the lemon peel stitch. Before we begin, if you like my tutorials, please subscribe to my channel, and if you'd like to be notified of new patterns and stitch tutorials on my website, please feel free to subscribe to my newsletter at tuxedobirdcreations.com, where you can find all of my patterns as well as my stitch library that is growing weekly with a new stitch added every Tuesday on Stitch Tutorial Tuesday. The lemon peel stitch is a very simple one row repeat stitch, but it creates a lovely texture and a very dense, not so holey piece of fabric. It's a little on the thicker side, but it's super easy. It would be great for so many things like pot holders, hot pads, scarves, shawls, pretty much anything you can think of, and it's very easy. To begin the lemon peel stitch, we'll need to chain any odd number of chains. So for this tutorial, I will be doing 15 chains. You can chain any amount you'd like as long as it's an odd number. Go ahead and chain as many as you would like. Pause the video and meet me once you're done. I have my 15 chains for my foundation row. To begin, you will start in the second chain from the hook, so the loop on your hook does not count as a chain. So we're going to count 1, 2, and we're going to single crochet into that second chain from the hook. And then in the next chain, we're going to double crochet into the next chain. In the next chain, we're going to single crochet. And then double crochet into the next. And we're going to continue this for the length of our row. So if you'd like, go ahead and pause the video and continue this single crochet, double crochet pattern until you get to the end, and I'll show you how to move on to row 2. I'm at the end of row 1. I've completed my single crochet followed by a double crochet pattern to the end, ending with a double crochet in the last chain of the foundation chain. So to begin row 2, we're going to chain 1 and turn our work, and we're going to begin by single crocheting right into that first stitch there and double crocheting into the next. And you will see that you are so this is a double crochet, so we'll be doing a single crochet into that double crochet, and then the next one will be a single crochet and we'll be double crocheting into there. So you're alternating every other row, but you will notice that you are always starting with a single crochet and ending with a double crochet. So going towards the end of the row here, I'm just going to finish this row. And I have 2 stitches left, so I'm going to single crochet and then double crochet. And that is the lemon peel stitch. It's very easy. It's a 1 row repeat. So again, you would just chain 1 and start with a single crochet, alternating with double crochets across the row. It creates this lovely pattern that would be wonderful for so many things. I'd love to hear what you would use this stitch for or what you've used it in the past. Thank you for joining me today for this tutorial. And again, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. And if you want to stay updated, sign up for my weekly newsletter at tuxedobirdcreations.com. Happy hooking!